Hello, friends. Welcome to today's session of Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar. And today we are going to talk about do not live your life as if it is destined to live forever. Have you all heard of this? Are we living a life as if it is destined to live forever? Are we not squandering time as if we have unlimited supply of it? Have we not heard live life as if it is the last day? Do we not all agree to the fact that we have very limited time and a very limited life to live? We all agree to this, right? But we also disagree to this. Why I say we disagree is because we live life as if we have an unlimited supply of days that we would be going to live. We waste time as if we have an unlimited supply of time in our life. So, how do we, are we not really confused? We agree that we have limited period of time available to us. We agree that we would be living to a certain age. We agree that we have limited time. Still, we keep wasting every single day of our life as if we have an unlimited supply of it. Don't you do that? Don't I do that? Don't does everybody not do the same of wasting their every single moment as if they have an unlimited supply of it when we should be living our life, we should be spending time of our life as if it is the last day and the last moment of our life. You all would agree to this, I know, but we are so confused. We are so confused between what is right and what is wrong. Even though we subconsciously know what is right, we end up choosing what is wrong. And why do you think we end up choosing what is wrong? Because we are conditioned to do so. From the very childhood, we are conditioned in such a way that we end up choosing the wrong things. We choose the easy things. And why do the wrong things look like they are easy things to do? Because that is how we are conditioned from our childhood. Eating healthy has not been easy. Why? Because since childhood we never ate healthy. Working out is never easy because since childhood we never practiced to work out every single day. Utilizing our time was never the concept in our life since our childhood, and that is why we waste our time when we are adult or when we grow. So because we have been conditioned since our childhood in a way as if it is okay to waste our time, it is okay just to waste days and weeks and months. We keep doing that unconsciously. We keep doing that and we keep making wrong choices in our life because we feel that these choices are easy. When we do not realize, what we do not realize is that these easy choices are going to give us a hard future. These easy choices that we are making today are going to give us a hard future. So you have to choose, you have to decide whether you want a hard today or a hard future. The future when you would grow, the future when you would have lot of responsibilities, the future when you would have kids and families to take care of. You want a hard time then, or you want a hard time today when you're young, when your shoulders can take the pain, when your mind can take the stress, and when you do not have so much of responsibilities and ownerships. When do you want the hard time to be on you? If you want it then, it's okay, you can enjoy with whatever limited things you have today. But if you want to change your life tomorrow, you have to change it today. And to change it today, you have to take tough decisions. You have to choose the hard things. You have to choose how not to waste your time today to make the time precious tomorrow. Because until and unless you learn how to value the time that you have, how to make your time precious, you are not going to have a good and a successful life tomorrow. So let us all pledge today, let us all pledge today in this new year that we are going to give the most attention to the most important time thing that we have in our life, and that is the time. We have a very limited supply to it, and we should not be wasting any single moment of it. I say that I will sleep when I die. I always say this, that I will sleep when I die. Yes, I do take rest every single day, but that is just a rest because that my body needs that. Not because I want to sleep, but because I need to sleep. I need to take rest is why I sleep, but I would sleep only when I die. So you have to sleep when you die. Other than that, you have to be out of the bed, out to work hard, make sense of your every single day, make a lot of money for yourself, make a lot of success for yourself, be wealthy, be healthy, and have a great life ahead. Wish you all the best from me, Savan Kumar. And if you have any questions, any queries, feel free to ask me in the comments below or knock me on any of my social media channels, which is at the rate ITZ Savan K, ITZSAWANK. So do not forget to like and subscribe and follow me and ask for any of your queries or questions, and I will be there to help you with all that you have. Have a good day. Bye bye.